finally cleaning the street. See that's here. So happy. Finally, we won't get stuck in the snowbanks anymore.
It's the shoveling out.
30 minutes on shoveling the car.
30? How about try 2 hours?
I'm never so happy to see those trucks in my life. Look at the snowbank in front of the house. Let me get it there. You can't even get in. Nice. And it's snowing. We got the little plow.
He has to wait for the next dump truck to come by.
I knew it was too good to be true. Right in front of the house.
Right in our
Stop.
parking spot.
Now, we just have to wait for the next truck to come where they can undo it and clean off the sidewalk. But it doesn't look nice. At least the sidewalks are clean here. The guy is down there.